A canonical tag is a tag we use in SEO to communicate to Google the right version of a page that we want them to index. In some cases, it may be that you have to have intentional duplicate content for strategic reasons. So for instance, things like you have a mobile version of a page and a desktop version of a page, or you're publishing an article on two different websites that you control. In those cases, you need to communicate to Google which version of the content is the one that you want to rank so that they don't consider it duplicate content and just choose whichever one they saw first. So the canonical tag goes in the HTML head of the page, and it references the URL of the page that you want Google to rank. What's important about that URL is that it needs to actually be a canonical URL, meaning that however your server is rendering URLs and however you're passing URLs in your sitemap, these all need to match with the URL that you're suggesting is canonical. And that's very specific. It means it needs to have all of the same capitalization. If one includes the www, the other includes the www. If one has a trailing slash, then they all should include the trailing slash. So this way, you're always sending a consistent signal about what is the canonical URL and which one you want to rank. It would be confusing if your server were automatically appending trailing slashes to all of your URLs when people typed them in or clicked on them on your website, but your canonical tag included the URL without the trailing slash. Then you would be saying, this is the canonical URL, this is the right one, but no one ever actually sees the right one in their address bar, and Google would never see it either, because Google only sees URLs basically as they appear in the address bar. So that's important. If you have trouble remembering canonical tag, think about the word canon or canonization. This is that's the process of becoming a saint, canonization. And so this is like you're sanctifying this particular version of a URL. This is the one, this one is chosen, this one is special. So that's canonical.